is good? It is your boy bobbysneakerworld, and I am back with another video. Today what I want to do, I want to start something brand new, something I've never done before. I do mall vlogs, I'll take y'all with me and stuff like that, but I want to do a specific vlog. I want to call it What's Sitting Wednesdays. It's obviously hump day. And everything usually releases on Fridays or Saturdays, and then there's always another release the next Friday or Saturday. Let's cut the week in half and see what's still sitting. Now, when I say sitting, I don't mean it in a bad way. I like things sitting. We all have a little hype beast in us. We all want the most exclusive stuff, but there's GRs that we all go after as well, that we like as well. So if they're sitting, that means we have an opportunity to go get it on sale or for retail. Let's start it today. All right, y'all, so I'm about to walk inside. And this is just gonna be me window shopping today, pretty much. I'm trying not to spend any money. Even if I see something, unless it's a crazy deal, I'm trying to save my money because I'm trying to buy 2 sneakers this month on the same day. And if y'all know what released on the same day this month, y'all know what I'm talking about. If y'all follow me on IG, I'll put that down in the description below. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I gotta get the court purple and I gotta get the pine green ones. It's my favorite silhouette and I gotta have them. So let's go in here and see what's sitting in the mall. So the first place we gonna go in, let's go in Foot Locker, see what's on the wall. Alright, start off in the running section. Nothing too fancy, nothing that would expect to sell out. I like this Vapor Max color. You know what I'm saying? I don't own any Vapor Max, but that's a pretty vibrant color. Let's see what else they got. Still got all this Just Do It stuff. That's a little much for me with the branding, but you know, teach his own. I remember people were going kind of crazy for these when they first came out, the Safari joints at least. Nothing new. What just recently released? These not too long ago. Doing too much. This Georgetown Hoyas colorway just released. 160. Black and gold. Still sitting. My high school colors. Go Raiders. A lot of the same stuff has been sitting here. Man, they keep dropping new colorways in these these diamond turfs. Is that what these called? Because everybody call them Merinos, so I just call them Merinos. But whatever they call, I ain't never seen that colorway. Last time I was in the mall, I seen this colorway new. Still got these foams, Sequoia, where got the Volt, and these pennies. These still sitting, came out recently. Let's keep moving down. All right, now that we done made it over here to Jordan Brand, now we can see the stuff that is still sitting. Obviously, these are still sitting. I can't wait for these to go on sale. I will be having those. You got your Guava Ice joints, I believe these was just released. I haven't seen anybody wearing these. This look like a woman's shoe to me, but I guess it's not. Here we go. This is what the Don sees, right? They sitting in here, Foot Locker. Still sitting here. The leather is crazy. But these are too big and bulky for me, man. That is way too much for me. I get it. Got the black cement look, but I just can't rock with this silhouette, man. It's just not my swag. All right, so that was Foot Locker. Foot Locker, the most recent thing that is sitting is those Don C. Are they 312s? I probably should do my research before I started recording, but I think it's a 312 Legacy or whatever, something like that. They're still sitting in Foot Locker. I'm gonna stop in Champs and then Jimmy Jazz. Let's do it. A lot of the same, still the same running sneakers, same Air Max stuff. You got your 270s, all of the same stuff, 95s. I can't think of if any of these came out recently. If I'm missing anything, y'all let me know down in the comments below if y'all see something that's like kind of recent. You got your Just Do It pack. You got your those. Nothing too recent, nothing too recent, nothing too crazy jumping out. We got some Jodeci playing in the back though. Now, Champs was kind of a bust. They ain't really have anything new. Nothing outside of those Hoyas, those gray and blue Georgetown Pippins, Tempos, whatever you want to call them. So I'm going to stop in Jimmy Jazz. I think I saw a lot of the international pack in the window. So let's go in Jimmy Jazz and see what they got sitting. Look like they got a lot. Alright, I'm going to try to run us through here real quick so I'm not dragging y'all out too long. Well, we do got a little different colorway on the PGs. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. There's the up-tempos I'm talking about sitting everywhere. You got your foam posits sitting. I actually like this color on these. I still like this Hurricanes color. We got some Pittsburgh Steelers colorway on those joints. Let's see what else. What else? Bunch of Hirachis. I still like these. It's a simple everyday sneaker. I like this color on. I like Air Max 1s though. All right, let's go to the Jordan section. And here we go, y'all. Here we go. Ooh. It's my first time having them in hand. And I ain't gonna stunt, man. Xerox, I like the materials and I like the feel of them. But it's a little extra for me. Like all of the scales and the Japanese. I'm not even gonna call it Japanese because I don't want to lie. Let's just say Asian. The Asian theme and culture. I get it, but still sitting. It's a pass for me, but they still sit. These just came out as well in GS sizes. These 12s. I think that's called what was that called? Rust pink. I don't know. Y'all can tell me. 140. You got your 5s. Not a fan of, but you know, got your New York Knicks. You know, pull you a Spreewell jersey out. Something crazy, something different. I said Spreewells, and so, you know, nobody would expect that. Everybody expects you to wear a Patrick Ewing. Get you a John Starks jersey or something crazy. You know what I'm saying? And I think that's about it. Alright, y'all. So that was Jimmy Jazz. Jimmy Jazz had a lot of stuff still sitting. Obviously, we got a chance to see the international 12s in there. Got a couple of different things that I had. That was my first time seeing them in hand, so it was cool to be able to do that. I also asked them if they were going to be getting the court purple Jordan 1s. They said maybe. None of the other big stores in my city are getting them. I'm going to ask Foot Action when I get in there. Hopefully they come through. But if I get to get them at Jimmy Jazz or City Gear or something like that, then I have to pay full retail. Can't use no discounts. But I'm going to Foot Action and see what they're talking about too. Foot Action don't seem to have too much in stock right now. Walls is kind of bare. A lot of things on sale, which is good though. Can't be mad at that. You got your 5s, you got your... Oh, look. Almost missed them. Damn foot action as well. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna wrap all this up, man. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. Let's get back to the car real quick. Oh, man. Over here in GS. Still got those. 150. Nice. Alright, let's get back to the car. Alright, y'all. So we done made it back to the whip, man. I appreciate y'all rocking with your boy on this Sitting Wednesday. But as you can see, there's still quite a few things still sitting that just recently released. You got the up-tempos, you got all of the international pack, whether it's adult or child or GS sizes still sitting. But that's a good thing. That means a lot of these things are going to go on sale soon. So we'll all be able to get it still. I still can't wait to get those blue ones. So when those drop a little bit more in price, I'm going to use a discount and get about $20 more off of those and get those. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, please don't hesitate to go look at some of my old videos. Hope you like what you see. If you do, subscribe to the channel. If you've been here for a while, you like what you see, continue to hit that thumbs up button. I appreciate all y'all. Until next time, OV!